Welcome back, creatives. Today, we're diving into a super fun Photoshop action that can instantly turn your photos into stunning comic cartoon artworks. The Comic Cartoon Effect Photoshop action is a powerful tool designed to simplify the process of creating eye-catching comic-style images with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this action is easy to use and produces professional results. To start, you'll need Adobe Photoshop and your chosen photo. After loading the action, simply play it and watch as your image transforms with vibrant colors, bold outlines, and dynamic shading that bring your photo to life like a comic book illustration. One of the best parts about this action is its versatility. It works on portraits, landscapes, and various types of images, making it perfect for social media posts, personal projects, or even marketing materials. Plus, it saves you tons of time compared to manually applying effects and filters. Remember, you can customize the layers created by the action to fine-tune the look to your liking. So get creative and experiment with different photos to make uniquely stylized cartoons. If you want to elevate your digital art or add a playful twist to your visuals, this comic cartoon effect action is a must-try. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more Photoshop tips and freebies, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.